Here's the new puppy. The golden retriever. I think he's like 8 weeks old. This is Calvin. He's 1 year old. Or actually 3 years old in human years. In dog years, he's... Frick, man, I'm getting tripped on this. Dude, Calvin's 21. And I don't know how old he is in dog years.
Hey, buddy. Okay. Buddy. So funny.
Oh my god, I didn't get that. I didn't get that. Oh my
So
god.
goofy. Look at
Dang it, I'm so bad at recording. I always end up recording in vertical. I'm so stupid. Hey, Corey, you mind smacking me in the face right now for how stupid I am at recording?
No. Hey, buddy.
Calvin's scared of him. Calvin, that's your new brother. Stop.
Hey, buddy. Hey. What's up?
He's wagging his tail. Aww. Here's the new stepmom I was talking about.
No, he's not recording.
Oh. Yes, I am.
No,
See?
you're not.
What's going on right now?
No, you're not. Oh,
Where'd he go?
I don't know.
Oh, it stinks.
Here we go.
Who farted?
You?
No, it don't smell like human doo-doo.
Oh, him.
I bet Calvin done did it. Oh. Oh, Calvin, have fun being the older dog. 'Cause this dog's gonna be taller than you in a couple months. Or weeks. I don't freaking know time anymore. What are you doing?
Is he still stuck back here?
No, he's fighting Calvin.
Calvin. Hey, Calvin. Got your brother, buddy. Yes, I do.
Oh my god, do not eat my shoes. Please do not. He's already destroyed. He just tripped.
Little puppers.
Getting along.
Piper.
Hey, buddy.
Little Piper.
When?
He's kind of scared, isn't he? He's gonna be.
What is he doing?
He's trying to play with Calvin, but Calvin don't know what to
Calvin
do
don't.
about
I
him.
think Calvin's too old for you.
He's like jumping around and stuff.
Oh my god. Oh no. Oh no. He walked in my legs.
Back in the playroom, ain't they? Or back in the laundry.
This ain't no
Why are you
playroom.
biting your tail?
Good. Calvin got to make play with.
Bite his tail.
Good.
Beat him up.
Calvin don't know what to say. Hell no, that's awesome.
Oh my
He's like
god.
jumping at him.
Good, Calvin. I'm glad you got somebody to mess with you now.
Paperwork. Yeah, let's get that up.
had to drive 5 hours to pick this dog up. I do not do good driving 5 hours in the back seat. Messes with my headache.
buddy. Hey, buddy. I don't know. What do you think we're gonna call him?
I don't know what we're gonna call him. Thought about calling him Rufus, but he hasn't barked yet.
He's probably.
But he does like to snuggle.
He does. He's so crazy. Get the shoe from him.
I know. I'm gonna get that shoe. I know you new puppy, but you still can't be eating shoes right now. Calvin, no. Calvin, you gay dog.
He likes the shoe.
See, Calvin has his own boyfriend. Calvin is literally gay.
Calvin.
He has his own
don't
boyfriend.
mess
Lives
with
in that house.
him. No, Calvin. No! Don't
Calvin.
make him gay, Calvin. Do
Calvin.
not let him become gay.
Where's-
We cannot let Calvin take him.
Oh, wait, I got it.
Calvin, stop! Calvin, no. Calvin, no. You're not gonna do that with him. No, Calvin, no. Leave him alone.
Calvin, rape him.
Calvin, no.
Stop.
You're not gonna make it.
Dude, brought my phone. I gotta pause this video anyway.
No, Calvin, don't
I just wanna
hurt
stop it.
him. Don't